Unamalanga guys namanje usamfuna ukwenza ukuthi ke abuyele empilweni yakhe kodwa ukwenza ukhethile laphana ke kusibongile. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live 10. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Sibongile and the Dlaminis from the 4th to the 8th of March 2024 on Monday. Njengaye and Phetheni are at loggerheads about ukwenzo nomalanga vent to Gcina about Sibongile moving in with Kwenzo and Gcina convinces Nomalanga to fight back on Tuesday. A broken Nomalanga confronts Sibongile and warns her that she will lose Kwenzo the way she got him. Things go from bad to worse for Velepi. Nelsiwe finally agrees to meet Myeni again on Wednesday. Phetheni guilt trips Sibongile into doing her bidding to get Kwenzo to return home. A guilt-ridden Sipo asks Asanda to check on Velepi, but she ends up almost getting stabbed on Wednesday. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.